Hello student, welcome to my channel Learn More Maths. My name is Varakumar. Today we are going to solve a problem from the chapter Progressions, exercise 6.5, fifth problem. So these problems are on geometric progression. So see here what he is asking to find us in the fifth problem. Find the 12th term of a geometric progression whose 8th term is 192 and the common ratio is 2. So student, he has given 8th term of the GP and the common ratio. He is asking to find us 12th term. So just we have to analyze. See here what he has given, how can we find? So here in a geometric progression. So before going to solve the problem, just we have to analyze what he has given. So in the given geometric progression, he has given 8th term. It is denoted by A8 is equal to 192 he has given. So how can we write A8? A into R to the power 7 is equal to 192 he has given. So let it is equation number 1. And also he has given common ratio. Common ratio R is equal to how much? 2. So here by substituting R equal to 2, here we can get A value. If we know A and R value, we can find any term of the geometric progression. So this is the analyzation, student. So now we have to solve. Solution, how can we solve? See here solution. So 8th term of the GP has given. I am writing 8th term of the GP. 8th term of the GP. 8th term of the GP has given. So what is the 8th term of the GP? 8th term of the GP is denoted by A8 is equal to how much? 192. So 8th term of the GP is 192 he has given. So that is, we can write 8th term of the GP A8 is equal to 192. So how can we write A8? In the geometric progression, A8 is equal to A into R to the power 7. A into R to the power 7. So I am writing A into R to the power 7 is equal to 192. So let it is equation number 1. So and also he has given common ratio of the GP is 2. So and the common ratio is 2. And the common ratio of the GP and the common ratio of the GP. So common ratio of the GP has given, that is 2 has given, that is R is equal to 2. So common ratio of the GP is 2 he has given. So common ratio is denoted by smaller r is equal to 2. So now we have to substitute R is equal to 2 in equation 1 to get the value of A. So substituting R is equal to 2, substituting R is equal to 2 in equation 1. So we get what we get, I am writing. So equation 1 is what? A into R to the power 7 is equal to 192. So here we have R is equal to 2. Just we have to substitute R is equal to 2 in equation 1. So see here A into R to the power 7 is there. So I am writing 2 to the power 7 is equal to 192. So next I am writing here, see what we get. A into, so 2 to the power 7 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 up to 7. We can get 128. How much it is? 128. So A into 128 is equal to 192. So from this A is equal to 192 divided by 128. So just we have to cancel. So now so it is divisible by 4. 4 3s are 12, 4 2s are 8. Here also 4 4s are 16, 32 is there, 4 8s are 32. So again it is divisible by 4. So now So 4 8s are 32 again. 4 1 and 4 12s, again 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12. So A is equal to 3 by 2. A is equal to 3 by 2. So he is asking to find us the 12th term. So A12 he is asking. A12 is equal to, how can we write in the geometric progression? A12 is equal to A into R to the power 11. So now the 12th term, A12 is equal to A into R to the power 11. So just we have to substitute A and R value. A12 is equal to, we have A is equal to 3 by 2 into R value is 2. So 2 to the power 11. So that is, so 3 into 3 by 2 into, we can write 2 into 2 to the power 10. So 2 to the power 11 I am writing as 2 into 2 to the power 10. So to cancel 2 here, we have 3 into. So 2 to the power 10 is 1024. Therefore finally we get A12 is equal to 3 into 1024, we can get 3072. So this is the 12th term of the given geometric progression. So 12th term is how much, student? 3072. So he has given 8th term and the common ratio. He is asking to find us the 12th term. So we have 12th term, A12 is equal to 3072. So this is the fifth problem from 6.5 exercise, student. So that's all today's class. We will meet in the next class with another problem.